It's been a couple of weeks now that I am thinking how to grow my YouTube channel because I noticed I don't captivate the viewers at all and I don't get much interaction in the comment section. So maybe I will do some changes, but the content will still remain because I love to travel, to do road trips, cooking, and coffee's life. And at the end of my busy schedules, I would love to chill with the shots of tequila. Yes.
Wat ga ik morgen voor lunch eten?
I think we need to go to the store to buy bread. Okay, I'm gonna do my motherly task. Guys, let's go to the store right now before the store will close. I got the bread, so I'm gonna drive home. That was so quick. If you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe now and click the bell button so you will be updated every time I upload new video. And please follow me on my Facebook page, Queen of Tea, and on Instagram, Queen's Episodes. I have lots of ideas swirling in my mind, from good to crazy ideas, but I have no motivation to start picking which ideas comes first and which will be the ending for my vlog. Ay, nahubog mo ko guys. Miming! Hello! This is Queen of Tea! Kitty kitty! Hello! Kitty! Speaking of tequila testing, I would like to thank my friend Karen Lailai for bringing me Tequila Estribos Reposado straight from Spain during her vacation in Spain. Ne, thank you so much. I didn't expect that you will surprise me with this tequila. Salamat talaga, Ne. And I will not drink this tequila not unless you will drink with me. Shout out to you, Ne. Thank you so much for this Tequila Estribos Reposado. Shout out! And shout out to Migo Joff Christian. Thank you so much for your support. And please keep in touch. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Queen of Tea. Bye!